Hello guys, welcome to Chart Explain, where the stock market becomes easy to understand. Today in this lesson we will learn what is BSE and NSE. In the previous video I had already told you that the buying and selling of the shares happens in the stock market. But have you ever wondered where the shares are actually getting bought and sold? That's where BSE and NSE comes in. First, we will get to know that what is a stock exchange. After that, we will get to know what is Bombay Stock Exchange and what is National Stock Exchange. A stock exchange is a marketplace where shares are bought and sold. Just like in our common market, vegetables are traded. Similarly, shares are traded in a stock exchange. Now comes to what is BSE. BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange. It is the oldest stock exchange in Asia, which is located in Mumbai. Sensex is the main index of Bombay Stock Exchange. I have already told you in the previous video that what is Sensex. Next, what is NSE? NSE stands for National Stock Exchange. It is India's largest stock exchange by trading volume. What is trading volume? We will learn in the next videos. Nifty 50 is the main index of NSE. In the previous video, we already learned what is Sensex and what is Nifty. Now, what is the difference between BSE and NSE? Both BSE and NSE do the same job. They provide a platform to buy and sell shares. For simple comparison, BSE is older than NSE. The main index of Bombay Stock Exchange is Sensex. The main index of National Stock Exchange is Nifty 50. BSE is comparatively lower volume. NSE is having higher volume. Now come to the next section. Do investors need both? No. As an investor, you don't need to choose between BSE and NSE. Your broker automatically gives you access to both Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Wherever you want to buy and sell shares of the companies, you can do in that only. Let's do a final quick summary for your better understanding. So in simple words, BSE and NSE are stock exchanges where the buying and selling of the shares actually happens. They provide a platform to trade shares. Sensex is the main index of Bombay Stock Exchange. Nifty is the main index of National Stock Exchange. Investors trade through brokers, not directly. We cannot do buying and selling of the shares directly. We will do through a broker only. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching Chart Explain. If this video helped, like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.